Hello guys, welcome again to Envision. Today we are in Nandi Hills, Apiary number 4. We are here to do the review of the hives that we installed. Behind me is the apiary and the client. I'm going to take him in, and you guys, you can join me as we go through this apiary. Come with me, guys. Guys, before I take you in, let's see our 5th apiary, and it's amazing. It's coming up well. Guys, the content is on YouTube. Just watch as we proceed. Now guys, let's go in and show you how the hives are placed. This is the entrance, as you saw it earlier. Once you enter, your hives will be on the left side, whereby you walk along the chain link. As I said earlier, when hives face you direct, you are easily collecting the bee venom. So basically this apiary has been designed for bee venom collection. Walk to the next hive, you place your venom collector in front of the entrance. Now the bees will just dictate that this is an enemy. They will just come out and they sting on the venom collector to spew the venom. We will show you how the venom collection is done. So guys, keep on subscribing here, and we also thank you for watching and sharing our content. Always check your hives even if they are in the apiary. Some hives might be attacked by the wax moth, so it's better to check them earlier. After 3 weeks, you check your hives. As you can see here from the right side, all the hives are facing outwards. The whole of this apiary, all the hives are placed at the middle of the apiary. So it's a unique design from the 2nd and the 1st apiary. The 5th apiary will incorporate both the 2nd and the 4th apiary. In that, at the bottom, you will find the hives in between the apiary. And on the 1st floor, the hives will be on the sides. The hives you see here on the 1st floor, the top part, were colonized. Most of the hives were colonized 3 weeks ago, as I said earlier. That's why you see them with the hanging wire. And remember to check your hives after 3 weeks. As you can see, our apiary is well designed that you can just walk out comfortably without any difficulties. whereby you can lock the door, then move out slowly. On this other side, we have done catchment sites where most of our hives are being colonized near to the apiary. All these hives are on the catchment site. Once they are colonized, we get them inside. Inside. So this one we are ready for carrying back to the apiary. So make sure in between this week umeirudisha kwa apiary. Hii bado. So what we do, naona vitu kama hizi ndio vitu zinafanya mzinga isikuwe colonized. Hizi ni konokono, because the hive has been attached with the tree, imeshikana na mti. So konokono na vitu zingine zinakuja zinaingia ndani, so you find your hive staying for long without bees, because of this dirtiness. So it's a chaff, insects and all those. So make sure when your hives ziko kwa catchment site ziko well maintained. Kwa mfano fungua hii, come and open it like that. Make sure that your hive is clean. Pull up maybe 2 or 4 frames, making sure that all the areas are clean. The scent for the lemongrass iko ndani, and your hive will be colonized in less than 2 weeks when you put the lemongrass na wax. Unaona kama hii vile iko placed like this, kuna nyuki ndio kuingia, hizo itaingia very soon, like the other hive ile iko pale. Shida ya ile ni moja, hiyo imekuwa kama place ya kuwekelea nini, konokono nini na nini, all sorts of insects zinaingia. So make sure you check your hives, even if it is attached to the tree like this one. Check your hives after 3 or 2 weeks on the catchment site. Bila sasa umefunga hivi itakuwa kazi ngumu ku check your hives. So make sure that stand is the best for the hive colonization. So remember guys to subscribe. Once we install your hives, we come back and check whether you have installed the bees. We give you some information on how to maintain the hives, not only just constructing the structure that we go. As you can see there, we have put some water tower, or the water container, the water tank, that when we collect all this water, it comes this tank, then we use it for irrigation in case of lack of water around this place, because we have planted some sunflowers. All this area around here will be having the sunflowers, basically for bees. Just keep on watching. Subscribe for more tutorials about beekeeping. See you guys. The first days. So when I introduced the fish, zikakula zile mayai. So hatuna frog hapo ndani. It's
hiyo inasaidia.
hiyo inasaidia sana. At the same time your bees are safe from ants.